Updating your profile details on Telstra is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select the details to update. In the Profile settings, you will see various options such as personal information, contact details, and billing information. Choose the specific details you wish to update. Step 4. Make your changes. Edit the selected fields with your new information. Ensure that all entries are accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for the Save or Update button. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your profile has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily keep your Telstra profile details current.